Once again, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're just joining us on this channel, kindly subscribe and, of course, turn on your notification button to get more amazing content from our channel. So today, we're out for cloud chasing activities at Mambila Plateau. I will be taking a look at the beautiful site of this stunning cloud formation, landforms, and vegetation. I'm not a poet, but I would love to say this. I caught the beauty of nature in her full stature and wonder if creatures like we can with our leisure take pleasure from the nature's gift to our nation, Taraba. Though blessed, we give no rest to ourselves and always on quest to quench our thirst, and yet there is still some left. That the vision, intuition has placed us in delusion and deprives us of finding solutions from creations for our situation. So let's take a moment out of the crowd to behold the clouds and unfold what it upholds and hold that which will make us whole. Yes, whole. Let's enjoy what you caught as well from the nature's view. Alright, so if you've not subscribed, don't forget, for more amazing content, click on the subscription button and see you in our next video. Thank you.